Nippon Kinzoku is making further advances in plastic working technology that it has been developing since its foundation, while also manufacturing processed products. Among these products, precision deformed steel, shaped steel, and roll-formed products are manufactured here in the Nippon Kinzoku Fukushima Plant. Two factories have been established on a large site, and each of them has a systematic facility layout that optimizes logistics from receiving of raw materials to delivering of products. In our Fukushima plant, we have adopted the 100% build-to-order system and provide products that are close to the final form requested by customers, so we can contribute to eliminating customers' processes, thereby reducing costs. We consistently achieve high quality from raw materials to after processing through the manufacture of each product by developing raw materials in our Itabashi plant and in conjunction with raw material manufacturers. In addition, machines and processing rolls are designed mainly by in-house engineers, and the term of product development is greatly shortened by applying the latest CAE analysis. Precision deformed steel, which can be formed from a wide variety of steel, is manufactured to meet the demand for all sectional shapes by four-direction rolling performed in combination with processing rolls, or hybrid processing performed by combining different working methods. Four-direction rolling can realize not only a strict thickness accuracy by adopting an automatic gauge control system, but also a high-precision product width, as well as thickness, by applying load to material in four directions. Roll-formed products are manufactured by roll forming that forms the intent section shapes by bending raw materials step by step. Shaped steel products are manufactured by four-direction rolling or roll forming, and we produce right-angled bars that are products unique to us, as well as welded T-bars that only we produce in Japan. In such a way, we provide various original products. In addition to inline inspections in production facilities, we apply the latest robotics and laser sensors to provide high-quality products. By doing this, we establish a system that ensures the accuracy of all surfaces and the overall length of all products. In our Fukushima plant, we manufacture products in this way, and these products are, for example, applied to parts in driving systems and the bearings of automobiles, handrails and gratings for construction work, and the rails of industrial fields. Thus, our products are actively working for various purposes in daily life. In our Fukushima plant, we use various processing methods to realize products that have more complex shapes, and from now on, we will contribute to the elimination of customers' processes and reduction in costs by providing these products with reliable technology and quality.